How to create HubSpot email templates 2024. In this video, we're going to quickly go through HubSpot and see how you can create your very own email templates. So to get started, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to the left-hand side of HubSpot, and here in marketing, you're going to go over to email. Now, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a free sign up and much more. Now, once you come over to email, you're going to come and click on create email. And right here, you have regular, automated, or blog. We're going to go with the regular and click on next. Now, once you've done that, here it's going to give you all these different templates to work on with. Now, if you want to create your very own template, in that case, obviously, we're going to click on start from scratch and we're going to choose it as our template. Now, once we have chosen that down, from here, you can start designing your very own template according to yourself. So let's say I'm going to go with the background color as, let's go with something like this. Then body color, you can choose that as well. So let's go with an olive green on that. So once you've chosen that, what you're going to do from here is you can add in plain text with width. You can add borders to your design according to yourself. Then there's different text styles for different types of fonts. So I'm going to add Times New Roman. Then we have button colors and other whatnots. And from there, obviously, you're going to start adding your details like images. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and click on Browse Images. Now, once we go over to Browse Images, what's going to happen from here is you can also move over to the other editor sections. And again, if you want to use this platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now. Now, from there on out, you're simply going to go ahead and save the template that you've created, and that is how you can create your very own HubSpot email templates in 2024. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.